shooting up some angles though. Jesus. I'm not sure which one this is. Got him.
I've got it.
We've got it, yeah. Got him.
I've got it.
We've got it, yeah.
So I dropped this RX-10-4 on a tar hunt yesterday and it just wouldn't turn on. It's just not doing anything. Nothing. Need a camera for this trip, so I had to go buy another one today, which is kind of annoying, but it is what it is. It's a shame that one's on the wrong side of the fence too.
Whoa.
There's a cracker deer.
It's the most beautiful thing I've ever seen.
That's pretty sick, eh?
Yeah. 28 metres.
28 metres on the wrong side of the fence.
Yep. I'll be right.
So this one here is on the right side of the fence.
Buddy's a baby.
Buddy's baby. Standard. Little spiker. Holly and I are about to do something a bit touristy today. We're out at Milford Sound and about to go on a cruise ship. So we've got a couple of hour trip floating around, and yeah, I'll show you guys some of the footage we get.
And aboard the Milford Adventurer for our cruise out to the Tasman Sea and return. 3 weeks without rainfall in summer and they will completely disappear. Now, being a time to see inside.
How much fun are you having?
Not much fun. Back at it again with our nutritious dinner.
I've just been glassing all this country behind me. Sick view up above the lake here. But yeah, I have not seen one single animal yet. So I think I'm going to punch up there, look over into the valley on the other side, and hopefully pick something up there. And from up there I'll be able to still glass back into this valley as well. So wish me luck. Holly and I are making our way out. Did not see a single animal in that spot. So yeah, a little bit shit, but that's hunting. So we're going to a bit of accommodation tonight, staying there, and then we'll probably get back into the hunting. Maybe not tomorrow. Tomorrow I might try and catch a canal trout. But yeah, the next day we'll get back into the hunting. Well, just to add to my string of bad luck this trip, we got back to our mate's property yesterday and my bipod's fallen off the gun. So Holly and I made the 3-hour drive this morning back to the trail, and I'm nearly up to the clearing and no sign of it yet. So it's been a real bad run. Dropped and broke the camera, and now the bipod's come off and I cannot find it. Holly has saved the day. I've been punching up the top of this hill. She just called me and she's found it down lower. I must have gone straight past it. What a relief. $500 bipod, not something I wanted to lose, on top of the bloody $2,200 camera that I had to replace. So yeah, maybe my luck might be better to start changing. What a relief.
You're welcome.